Today, we'll show you how to properly install the Viridian RFX reflex sight. This guide covers the RFX 11, 15, 25, and 35 models. In the box, you'll receive one RFX optic, mounting screws for multiple fits, one mounting and adjustment wrench, a lens cloth, and a quick start guide. The first thing we do is check and ensure the handgun is unloaded and safe. Pull the action back to visibly confirm that the chamber and barrel are clear. Then remove the magazine and keep the weapon pointed in a safe direction. Then, using the provided installation and adjustment tool, remove the two screws that secure the cover plate and remove the plate. Before you mount the optic, let's install the battery. Now, before we insert the battery, we need to remove the included rail adapter. Every RFX sight comes pre-installed with this adapter. To remove it, use the provided wrench to unscrew the two mounting bolts on the top of the optic. Once removed, you'll be ready to mount directly to your pistol slide or mounting plate. With the rail adapter removed, you'll see the open battery compartment underneath the optic body. Insert the provided battery, positive side up. Make sure the battery is seated flat and secure. Once that's in, you're good to move on with the install. Now, set the optic on the mounting area at the rear of the slide, ensuring the securing holes align with the holes on your slide or adapter plate. Refer to your firearms manual or the manufacturer to determine which supplied screws are correct for your specific setup. Then, using the provided wrench, install the two securing screws. Use the torque value provided in the quick start guide for your specific RFX model. Press the plus button briefly to power on. From there, you can tap the plus button to increase the brightness, or tap the minus button to decrease it. And finally, you can power off the device by holding the minus button for 2 seconds. Some models, like the RFX 11, automatically adjust the dot brightness based on ambient light. Use the included windage and elevation tool to make adjustments and move your shot group to the center of the target. Turn the windage screw clockwise to move the point of impact to the right, and counterclockwise to move the point of impact left. Turn the elevation screw clockwise to raise the point of impact, and counterclockwise to lower it. The arrows on the RFX show the direction you want the bullet to travel, not the movement of the dot. And with that, you've now learned how to install your RFX reflex sight, operate the unit, and zero your optic. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 763-479-4091 or reach us by email at info@viridian.tech.